Hello again. Today I'm going to show you how to graph quadratic equations or quadratic functions in intercept form. Okay, so intercept form looks like this. Y equals A times X minus P times X minus Q. All right, so what I'll want to do is I want to find my axis of symmetry. Okay. So my axis of symmetry will be where P plus Q divided by 2 is. All right. And that will be the X value. That will be our axis of symmetry. So you'll notice that this is X minus P. Well, here I have X plus 2. That means that P is actually going to be negative 2. Okay. Plus Q, well, this is minus Q, and here we have minus 3. So that means it's going to be a positive 3 divided by 2. Well, that means that this is going to be 1/2. So my axis of symmetry is going to be 1/2. So I will go to 1/2 on the x-axis. And then that will be my axis of symmetry. So along that line will be where it will be reflected. Now, I need to plug 1/2 in as x to find out what the y value is of my vertex, okay? So my vertex is going to be y equals, and then 1/2 plus 2, and x, 1/2 minus 3. Well, that's 2.5 times 2.5. A couple ways to do that. I would turn this into improper fractions. So we get redo negative 2.5. So I would turn this into improper fractions. That'll be 5/2 times negative 5/2, which is negative 25/4. All right. And so that's actually negative 6 1/4. So our axis of symmetry is actually our vertex is 1/2 and negative 6 1/4. So I will go down along the axis of symmetry to negative 6 1/4. So right there is our vertex. So I'll label that the vertex. All right, and we'll label this the axis. And then from this point, I'm going to show you a trick that P and Q, this is called intercept form, right? It's called intercept form because P and Q are the x-intercepts. So at x equals negative 2 and x equals 3, that's where this curve crosses the x-axis. So we'll go to negative 2 and make a point, and we will go to positive 3 on the x-axis. Remember, this one is the x-axis. And then I can just connect that with a curve. Then I'll put arrows to show that it goes on forever. And that is how you graph y equals x plus 2 times x minus 3.